Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Teacher Joy.
Okay, how are you today?
I am good.
That's good to hear.
Fine, teacher.
And?
I'm doing great.
That's good to hear. Now, we're going to work with the sound games. Sound games. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so we have here 10 objects, but before we start, let's introduce or learn about these 10 objects here on the tray. Do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. This is,
Teacher,
okay, Susie.
it's a bird.
Okay, very good. Bird. This is, okay, Henry.
It's a tiger.
Very good. A tiger. And this is, okay, Kaylee.
It's a bee.
Okay, very good. Bee. What about this one? Henry?
It's an avocado.
Very good. Avocado. What is this? Okay.
It's a pear, teacher.
Okay, a pear. And this is, okay, Susie?
It's the corn.
Very good. Corn. This is, okay, let's have Henry.
It's an apple, teacher.
Very good. Apple. And this is,
A dog, teacher.
very good, Kaylee. Dog. This is, okay, Susie.
It's a pan, teacher.
Very good. A pan. Okay, and this is, we have Henry.
It's a cat, teacher.
Very good. A cat. Now, let's repeat and say all these objects here. Okay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, first we have,
Bird.
okay, everyone together.
Bird.
Very good. Bird. This is,
Tiger.
very good. Tiger. And this is,
Bee.
very good. Bee. What about this one?
Avocado.
Very good. Do you like avocado?
Yes, teacher.
Very good. Yes, I do. And this is,
Pear.
very good. Do you like pear?
Yes, I do.
Very good.
It's yummy.
Yummy, yummy. And we have
Corn.
corn. Do you eat corn?
Yes, I do, teacher.
Okay, that's good to hear. Sometimes. And we have this fruit.
Apple.
Very good. Do you like apple?
Yes, I do, teacher.
Very good. Now we have here
Dog.
a dog.
I have a dog.
Oh,
Me too, teacher.
oh, that's
And
good.
Me too. I have a dog.
Okay, that's so good. And continue. This is
Pan.
very good. A pan. And lastly, we have,
Cat.
what does the cat say?
Meow, meow, meow.
Very good. Now, okay, let's look at the two objects here and tell me what object has the beginning sound of b, b. Okay, let's have Susie.
B, b, bird.
Very good, Susie. We have here b,
B,
b, bird. Okay, now I see an object with a beginning sound of t, t, t. Okay, Henry.
T, tiger.
Very good. T, t, tiger. Okay, we have here b, b, bird and
T, t, tiger.
very good. T, t, tiger. can you tell me an object with a beginning sound of p, p, p? Okay, Henry?
Pear.
Very good, Henry. Pear. And now, I see an object with a beginning sound of b, b. Okay, Kaylee.
B, teacher.
Okay, very good.
B.
That's right. We have here B. Okay, we have here pear and B. Okay. Now, I see an object with a beginning sound of k, and an ending sound of t. Anyone? Okay, Susie?
It's a cat, teacher.
Very good.
T.
Ah, that's so good. We have here k, t, cat, k, cat. Very good. Now, I see an object with a beginning sound of and an ending sound of l. Henry?
Apple.
Very good. You have
Apple.
Okay, very good. Listen to Henry again. Apple. Very good. Apple. Okay, again. Apple. Very good. We have here cat and apple. Very good. Now, I see an object with a beginning sound of d, and an ending sound of g. Okay, we have Kaylee.
Dog, teacher.
Okay, very good. D, g, dog. Okay, d, o, g, dog. Again, d, o, g, dog. Very good. Now, can you tell me an object with a beginning sound of p, and an ending sound of n? Okay, Susie?
It's a pen, teacher.
Very good. Pan. Okay, pan. Repeat. Pan. Very good. Now, I see an object with a beginning sound of and an ending sound of o. Can you tell me? Okay, Susie?
It's avocado, teacher.
Very good. Avocado. Okay, Kaylee?
Okay. Avocado.
Very good. What sound do you hear else? Okay, who wants to answer? Henry?
D.
Okay, very good. That is
Avocado.
very good. Avocado. Very good. Now, I see an object with the beginning sound of b, and an ending sound of d. Okay,
Bird, teacher.
very good. A bird. What sound do you hear else? Bird. What sound do you hear else? Henry, how about other friends? Okay, we have Henry.
Er.
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 Okay, let's go. Susie.
Er.
B.
B. B. Er.
D. B. Er. D. Okay, very good. We have here
Bird.
very good. B. Er. D. Bird. Okay, again.
B. Er. D. Bird.
Very good. Now, I see an object with the beginning sound of k, k, and an ending sound of n, n. Okay, let's have Kaylee.
Corn, teacher.
Corn. Very good. But what sound do you hear else?
K. O. R.
Okay, o,
K.
er. Very good. O, k, o, n. Corn.
Corn.
Okay, again. K, o, n. Corn. Very good. Now, look at this object. What is this?
Dog. Dog.
Dog. Now, can you tell me the sounds you hear on this object? Okay, Henry?
D. O. G. Dog.
Very good. Again?
D. O. G. Dog.
Very good. And look at this object. Can you tell me the sounds you hear with this object? You can answer? Susie?
It's a bee.
Okay.
B. E. E. Teacher, I don't know. Could you help me, please?
Okay, but let's ask other friends. Okay?
B. E.
Very good. It's a long E, okay? B.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
You're welcome. Okay, again.
B. E. B.
Very good. So we have here B, E, B. Okay, now look at this object. What is this?
Pan.
Okay, Kaylee?
Pan, teacher.
Okay, can you tell me the sounds you hear on this object?
P. A. Pan, teacher.
Very good. We have
Pan.
A, pan. Very good. Okay, little friends, we have finished our lesson. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher. Joy.
Okay, Henry, can you help me put all the objects back into the drawer?